Hello, Namaste, welcome back to Aesthetic Bites Qritee. Today we are making shakshuka with a twist. Stay tuned to watch till the end. This shakshuka is so addictive that you crave it again and again. Let's dive in. Heat a pan, add a 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add 2 chopped onion and fry it till it changes the color. Add 4 to 5 chopped garlic and saute it. I have taken 3 to 4 tomatoes, just blend them in a blender. It should be semi-coarsely chopped, not a fine paste. Fry the tomato till the raw smell disappears. Now add Indian spices such as salt, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and sugar is optional. Add 2 to 3 finely chopped green chillies and mix well. Now comes the twist, add cheese. I have taken 2 cheese slices. You can add cheese as per your choice. Mix well so that the gravy becomes rich and aromatic. It smells just like a street side tawa curry, spicy, tangy and full of flavor. This is a stage where your kitchen fills with mouth-watering aroma. Add half cup of water to blend the masala really well. I have taken 3 eggs and garnished with chili flakes, salt and coriander leaves. If you like such recipes, please like, share and subscribe for more such amazing fusion. Try this at home and tell me how it turned out in the comments. Now steam for 5 minutes on the low flame so the eggs set perfectly and the cheesy masala turns rich and creamy. Your Desi Shakshuka with cheese is ready. Thank you for watching.